Hi everyone! Welcome to John's World! Today we are going to show you how to make a rainbow pop-up card. For this, we need any color paper for a card. I choose yellow. And we need white paper for a rainbow and clouds. And we need the color to color the rainbow. We need glue and some scissors. Oh, la la la, la 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 la.
Stop! Let's make the card.
Oh my God! I forgot. Now we take the color paper and fold it in the middle, like this. And then this looks like a card. Now take a scale and check the width of one side, and then the width is 15. I'm going to 13 because the rainbow should be inside the card. Now mark 13 centimeter at the white paper.
Mark here. Yeah.
Now those 7 lines with equal width to color the rainbow. We color like this. Now I'm going to do the coloring. Without tracing. I love to color. Isn't it so fun to color? It's so fun, especially when you're coloring a rainbow. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm creating a popcorn. So fun! Ooh, I don't know what to say next, but it's just so fun. Oh my gosh.
Which is that color, Jaden?
Orange. Then now yellow. No? It's so beautiful. I like it.
Oh, which color, Jaden?
Blue. Blue is my favorite. Blue is my favorite. Yeah, that was my first favorite color. My second favorite color is pinky. And white. Angels. Blue is for the sea. Red is for the lava. But orange is for orange. Fruit orange. Fruit orange. Fruit. Now rainbow's ready. Now we need to cut it. Now we are done cutting. Fold the paper like this. Like making a fan, like that. Hey, you're doing it too? Yeah, Jay. Then you are good. Almost beat me.
The rainbow is ready.
Rainbow of Nestorek is ready. The true and rainbow
Take
king.
the card and open it. And then keep the rainbow facing your direction. That means you need to be able to see the color. And apply glue at one. Now apply glue on one side. Then now place it on the paper like this. Now apply it on the another side. Now close the book.
Close the card.
Yeah. Now the rainbow is ready. Next we are going to paste the clouds. Now take a paper and draw a cloud and cut it. This is how you cut it. And now take the clouds and apply glue. Okay. Now, okay, done for that. Now take the next cloud and glue it. Our beautiful rainbow card is ready.
Look how beautiful is this rainbow card. Please try this at your home.
Oh, I forgot one thing too. I forgot one thing. I'm gonna show you to close it and open. You'll see how beautiful it is. See?
Wow.
See the card that I made, and this is the school. The person is coming out of the school. Person is that person is coming into the school. So use your imagination and make your cards. This is a card that my mom made for my 8th birthday. Look how beautiful it is. So this is so beautiful, and please try this at your home. Please like, subscribe, and share to your families and
Friends, see you with another video. Bye.